Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. That's the sneak peek of our TN house. Just a sneak. Being a tease. Let me turn you around and show you where I'm at. Check it out. We came to Tennessee. Look, another sneak peek of the house. The house is down, people. I think I have mentioned it before that the house is down and we just had to wait for connections. So clearly a lot of stuff still needs to be done. The driveway is not completely done because they are still driving in here with trucks and that can damage the driveway. So we just have like a temporary driveway. All of these piles of soil are going to be moved and pushed to wherever I want my garden. And we are walking around debating where we want that kind of stuff. So that's where the barn is going to be. And clearly it's not there yet. They can't deliver it till March, I think, April, which is fine because that gives us time to do what we have to do. And clearly because of Lexton's stroke, we had to change some of the stuff from where it was going to be. So the barn was going to be on the other property because don't forget we have 10 acres, two different sides of the property, and we were gonna put it farther out, but because Campbell had the stroke, we had to move it around, and this was gonna be our garden, and then now we changed it. That's gonna be where the barn is gonna be because he clearly cannot be too far away from the barn. So now we're being cautious on where we're putting our stuff, and I don't know. What do you guys think? Where should we put the barn? So the guy is supposed to come today to put but he's gonna give us a quote to finish up the remainder stuff of the house. So let's give you a sneak peek of the little tiny house. It's not tiny. Because they still have to finish the connections, doing the surrounding area clearly, and then we need to think about what we want to do with the porch, or what we want for our porch. So that's another thing. So how do you like the house? Clearly it's not completely done, so it's a sneak peek, but it's so peaceful out here. It's not cold. It's pretty good. I need to think about where I want to put my garden. So with the contractors and stuff, we need to make sure now that we let them know the things we found wrong with the house, take pictures, send it to the idiots that took 5 years to deliver my house, and then I think that's it. Like, then we're leaving. We'll be back again. We did put Wi-Fi. We put security cameras. We did all that already. So we can keep an eye on the house and the property. So that was fun. But you guys know my journey. And as you know, we've been doing this for almost since 2020. From 5 contractors. We're on our 5th one, and this one we're hiring out of our own pocket to finish up the stuff because we just need it done. And 5 contractors later, and what is it? The wrong house delivered. Remember that drama? And waiting for the house to be rebuilt because they built the wrong house. Yes, they did. And then wait for that one to be delivered to then get it here, and the contractor, two contractors just quitting because they weren't the first contractors to do the bid, and then they wanted more money and all that good stuff that shouldn't happen to people who are trying to build a home. And you know, it is very frustrating.